And this is it. Now you've had this thing over and over and over and again, but you don't believe it. You thought it's one of these gimmicks that people talk about online. You've seen it
over and over again. This is not, I think this is not very that important.
It is, and it is AI. Let me say 2020, I began to get serious online. And I get serious online very well to the extent of I have to learn a whole bunch of nonsense. Jump from cryptocurrency to affiliate marketing to selling online to medium buyer to anything you can think about to Amazon, KPA, digital marketing, all kinds of things. None of them pay me. None of them. I wasted money. I bought so many courses from Nigerian, these big YouTubers. I watched so many courses online. Wasted a lot of money to buy data, and you know data is expensive in Nigeria. But what I'm saying here is that you can imagine that the United States are cutting off jobs. The bigger company in the United States are cutting off jobs. This week alone, this previous week, today is Monday. This previous week, over 5,000 jobs were cut off. Statistically proven. Just because somebody built an agentic AI that can now do everything, can create the products, promote the products, market the products, sell the products. I mean, AI. And this is just AI. It's not artificial general intelligence, the AGI, that it is said to be better 10 times, or let me say 10,000 times than human being. What are you doing? Now, I will tell you something. If you are between the age of 20 to 50, and you are not learning AI, I don't know, I don't care, except you have a staking government, you are a politician, you have a big connections in the politics in Nigeria. There's a way for you to make money in the next 20 years, consistent money that can sustain you and your family, and with the back of help of God, then I think you are free from this. But if you are like me, that you have to create your own wealth by yourself without nobody's helping you, don't have any help somewhere, you need to check where the money is, and you need to follow the money. Now, where the money is going now, generally speaking, right from the onset of the civilization, money has been put to much of technological stuff, products, service, than anything else in the world that we live today. Am I lying to you? Just give me a response now. Am I lying? No, I'm not lying. Check the 10 most billionaire in the world, the top 10 billionaire in the world. 95% of their service and products are in technology. They are creating a product or they are running a service that is technological wise. Why do you think your own will be different and you want to be rich? Now, AI is for everyone. I'm very sure this is not the first video you've been watching about AI. You've watched several videos. You are so consumed with several videos. But I'm telling you that AI is just like internet. If you don't pick a specific topic, a niche, a subject that you want to learn about, you'll be consumed with so much content that you feel a dick. And at the end of 1 year and a half that you've been watching YouTube, you end up with nothing, wasted time and effort. Now, I'm not asking you to choose a specific one. I'm not even telling you what to choose. I'm just saying, for Christ's sake, can you sit down and at least use a day or two to search which AI that is already related to what you are doing already, that you can learn and leverage the same AI to upscale and render it as a service. One of these particular writers said that as of 2019, he said there are 7 billion people in the world today. He said he wished that there will be 7 billion companies. What he's trying to say there is that we have 7 billion people in the world today. 99% of these 7 billion people are looking for work, looking for job, looking for opportunity. It's only tiny 1% of these people that create opportunity, create jobs, create employment. We can be the same thing also. Create something with AI. Don't play with ChatGPT, Grok, Perplexity, or Gemini. It will be like internet, so massive. Just imagine you have internet on your phone, you watch videos, you watch all kinds of videos, and at the end of the day, you are so consumed that you get tired of watching videos. You got tired. What AI will do will surprise you. And I'm advising you. This is not a video to impress you. This is not a video to make you feel good or to make you feel bad. This is a raw video. I'm just giving you my raw advice. This, guys, there's so much opportunity that is coming into AI. We are just starting. Now, myself, I went into AI fully 2025, so it's not far. Been playing around it in 2022 when it came out. 2023, I was not very serious about. 2024, I find a job and I did that, and it's pay a lot, and that's all. And at the end of the day, the job is no more. I know many of you that be watching this video, you want to work online, you love the flexibility of working online. But the problem is that you cannot just stay with one skills to learn it to the extent of which you can find a job with it, to the extent of which you can even actually create a business with it. How in the world do you think you make it online without you sitting down 5 hours minimum a day if you have the time? If you don't have the time, 2 hours a day to learn a particular skills for 6 months straight out, 2 hours before you watch your YouTube, before you watch your TikTok, IG, Pinterest, before you go on LinkedIn and complain
and post that people don't reply to your posts, and you create content on TikTok, and people don't really relate with you, because of course that is what you are saying, right? So
what I'm telling you right now is that AI is going to make you rich.
For the AI to make you rich, you will need to learn about AI. You will need to know about AI. And the best person to ask about how to learn AI is AI. You can ask ChatGPT, how can I use you? It will give you more than what I can give you, because it taught me the way to use it. I've come to the end of the video, but I've not really come to the end of this channel. And why is that? This is how this video is going to be. Now, let me tell you something. Wait, let me tell you something. First thing, I create an AI agent that can make sales, that can follow up call, that can close call, that can act as a receptionist. Just imagine an AI agent that can act as a receptionist, that can pick calls. This AI can study everything. We study everything about your company. Even if you are selling pepper, it will study everything about the company. And once people call, it will give the person response as if you are the person. You can use your voice exactly. This is what AI can do, and this is what I choose to do online. And it pay. I close clients that is not in Nigeria, far away from Australia, from Poland, from United Kingdom, and I'm still living in Nigeria, Lagos. Come on. It is easier said than done, but I've told you what I have to tell you. If you want to know about me, you can comment. I will get back to you personally myself.